Did you know Pakistan is home to some of the world's most stunning birds? Let's explore the top 5. Number 1, the Chukar Partridge, Pakistan's national bird. It's a symbol of freedom and beauty. Next, the Houbara Bustard, a rare desert bird, once considered endangered, and a favorite for birdwatchers. At number 3, the Himalayan Monal. Known for its dazzling rainbow feathers, it's found high in the northern mountains. Number 4, the peregrine falcon, the fastest bird in the world, and yes, it thrives in Pakistan too. And finally, the kingfisher. Small, but striking. It's often seen near rivers and lakes. Which of these amazing birds would you love to see in real life? Comment below.